Prevent crooked baseboard cuts on a miter saw by setting up deliberate stops, marking for blade kerf, and cutting with a controlled feed rather than sawing fast. Start by selecting the right blade and confirming it is sharp and seated tightly. A dull blade wanders and tears the profile. Clamp the baseboard against a fence with a sacrificial backer to support the thin edge and prevent splintering. Mark the cut on the face of the molding and then transfer that line to the top edge so you can sight the blade without moving the workpiece. Remember to account for the blade kerf by shifting the workpiece so the cut removes the waist side of the mark. Measure the kerf with a scrap cut if you are unsure. Use the saw at full speed and feed the blade slowly through the work, letting the motor do the work so the blade does not deflect. If your saw has a laser or light guide, align it and verify it tracks the blade by making a test cut on scrap. If not, use a beveled block clamped to the fence as a physical guide for mitered angles. 3 common mistakes create crooked or mismatched joints and how to fix each. Rushing the cut causes the blade to push the work out of alignment, so slow your feed and hold the work firmly or clamp it. Ignoring blade kerf leads to cuts that sit off the line, so always mark an offset for the kerf before cutting. Failing to support the face or back of thin trim leads to tear out and angled cuts, so add a scrap backing piece or use a zero clearance insert and clamp the trim flat. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like trim and finish carpentry, helping us find local professionals and letting contractors find work. We also host a discussion community where we and others share tips, ask questions, and post project photos.